Welcome to our live coverage of Maharashtra Assembly elections. Joining us today, we have BJP candidate Siddharth Chiroye with us for an exclusive interview with Pune Times Mirror. So, welcome to Pune Times Mirror. So, how has prompt issues resolution approach resonated with voters during campaigns?
And definitely, it was a very good response from the citizens because we traveled through the constituency extensively, and we reached out to citizens with issues pertaining to their area, and I'm very confident that people of Shivajinagar will vote massively in favor of BJP and the Mahayuti.
So, what have been your major contributions to the infrastructural development in Shivaji?
I think the Shivajinagar Hinjawadi metro is going to be completed in June 2025. The flyover is going to get completed in uh, January 2025. We have 24 by 7 project that will be completed in the next 1.5 year. The sewage treatment plant project that is also nearing completion. It will also be completed in a year or two. I think major urban renewal projects are getting completed, and that's why we are looking forward to having better infrastructure in Shivaji.
So, can you highlight specific projects that have significantly improved the quality of life of Shivajinagar residents?
Definitely, the transport and the traffic issue will be resolved once the Shivajinagar Hinjawadi metro begins and the university flyover is complete and operational. The old Mumbai Pune Khadki highway is widened. The Elphinstone Road on near Khadki is widened. The railway underbridges near Ranges and Khadki, those are also in process of widening. So I think that will improve the traffic woes that we are currently facing. Along with that, 24 by 7 one project once get completed, it will resolve the water issues, and also the STP project once it's completed, it will help the environment and in a way that rivers won't get polluted. So a lot of urban renewal projects are getting completed in the next few years.
So, what measures have you taken for youth in Shivajinagar?
So I obviously the youth, they need to have proper direction, so that once the direction is clear, they can prosper more in life. So all the schemes that the government has announced for the youth, we are making sure that they get they benefit from those schemes, and we will be interacting, engaging with them more than often, so that we comprehensively make sure that we resolve the issues, and make a platform where they can prosper in.
So, if re-elected, your future plans for development of Shivajinagar constituency?
These all urban renewal projects that are pending, I will make sure that they are completed in a stipulated time frame, and the citizens won't have to suffer a lot.
So, what do you have to say about results on 23rd of November?
I think it is. I'm very confident that this time, with a massive majority, we will win the Shivajinagar constituency. I have no doubt about it.
This was Siddharth Chiroye with us, BJP candidate, who has expressed his confidence in victory. I am Madhupriya Dharmate from Pune Times Mirror.